You are preparing for sleep, and as your eyes begin to close, your breath begins to slow. With the first inhale, you feel yourself arriving. With the first exhale, you begin to let go. There is nothing left to hold. The day can rest now. The mind can pause. Above you, a soft sphere of light begins to form, floating gently, pulsing like a quiet star, about 12 inches above your head. This light holds clarity, softness, and peace. With every breath in, it lowers closer, and now it begins to pour into the top of your head. Feel it moving across your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. It softens your chest, calms your belly, flows into your hips, your legs, and down into the earth. You are connected from crown to root, from sky to soil. A vertical current of light runs through you, steady and still. Now allow a protective orb of pearlescent energy to wrap around you, a glowing shell of warmth and silence. Nothing from the outside can reach you here. Only calm, only light. If you notice any heaviness inside, a worry, a leftover thought, a tension you forgot to release, offer it into the stream. It rises or falls and leaves your body with ease. It knows where to go. It is carried by light. Your channel becomes clearer. Your breath becomes slower. Your whole field glows a little brighter. Now imagine your energy beginning to rise. You are floating above your bed, soft and weightless. You drift into the dark sky, higher and higher, passing over rooftops, treetops, over the clouds, into the space beyond. Here, there is no noise, no time, no weight. Only stillness, only light. In this space, feel the essence of who you are, not the roles, not the thoughts, but the quiet center beneath them all. That part of you that is always whole, always light, always free. Stay here for a moment. Let yourself breathe in this stillness. Let it become part of you.